So I have been having questions from some people wanting to know if smoothies are more healthy than juices, or like juice versus smoothie, which is more healthy. The first thing I want you to know is that both contain all those vitamins and minerals you need, whether it is your juice or smoothie. The first difference is that one is made with the use of a juicer, or like you blend your ingredients, use a sieve and get out the juice, while a smoothie is made with the use of a blender. You just blend everything and without straining, you just consume like that. That is a smoothie. That is the first difference. The second difference is that one contains fiber. That is, the smoothie has the fiber, which is very good if you're someone with high blood pressure, thyroid dysfunction, diabetes. You want to go more for smoothies because the fiber actually helps like metabolize the sugar, so it doesn't like affect your sugar levels while you get in those vitamins and minerals. Someone with thyroid dysfunction, your metabolism is slow, and consuming fiber is good for you as it helps to easily metabolize while you get those nutrients into your system. So if you have those issues, health issues, go more for smoothies. But if you're fine, you don't have any health concerns, both are good because they all have those vitamins and minerals we need. There are times you just want to drink something like water, so you just go for your juice. There are times you want to eat something heavy and feel full. Smoothies are good, most especially for breakfast. You can actually consume a smoothie in the morning. You feel full for longer hours and just find yourself having your lunch, which is so good because smoothies are healthy with lesser calories than real food. So you can have them for breakfast, but if you consume something just like juice in the morning, by 10 you might feel like eating something. So that is another second difference. You might think of going more for smoothies because the fiber will make you feel fuller for longer hours. The third difference between smoothie and juices, or advantage you might want to go more for smoothies, is because the fiber will actually help speed up your metabolism. Like it will help you metabolize and lose weight easily, whereas juices will just like put in those nutrients into your system without so much to be done. So on that note, I would say smoothies have more advantages as it will help facilitate digestion, boost your metabolism so you can easily lose weight if you're someone looking to lose weight. If you're someone with health issues, I would say smoothies are better for you. If you're someone equally looking to lose weight and avoid eating so much food, you want to start your day with something like a smoothie that will keep you full for the whole day, I would say you should go more for the smoothie. Those are the advantages, but not that juices do not contain all those vitamins and minerals you will get from smoothies. The difference is just the fiber that has to help you for one reason or the other. And lastly, smoothies, you must consume them like maybe 15 minutes after made, or highest should be that same day. It should not get to the next day. The juices can last a little bit longer depending on the ingredients used in making the juice, but smoothies are best to be consumed the same day, if not 15 minutes after you make them. They are best to be consumed fresh, because by the next day you will see some reactions, like most of the vitamins and minerals will be gone. It is not good to make your smoothies and store for days, drinking for days. It is something you want to do and consume fresh, so you get in that fiber, all those vitamins and minerals you need into your system. Because I have people, most of the time they'll be asking me, how long can I store this smoothie? Can I make it and keep for 3 days? Smoothies are best to be consumed that same day. Best 15 minutes after you make your smoothies, consume them. They are not even difficult. You just put in your blender, just press your power, it blends everything for you, you just drink. So what is difficult in making it over and over and over again? It is not a difficult process like juicing that you have to maybe blend, use something like a cloth to strain the juice out, or because you don't have a juicer. So it is more difficult to make a juice if you don't have a juicer and you have to use your blender than a smoothie. Smoothies are so easy, you just make, you just put in your blender, blend everything in your glass straight to your mouth. You can do it over and over, even 3 times a day, and you will not feel any pinch or pain. So why make it and store in your refrigerator that those vitamins and minerals will like lose the value? You will not have those vitamins and minerals in your system like you made it and drank fresh 15 minutes after, or maximum should be the same day, not 2 days or the next day. So yeah, that is what I wanted to clarify with you today. I hope I answered 1 or 2 questions, because I keep getting people asking me how long they should store their smoothies, or don't store smoothies or naturally made juices for longer periods. Try to drink them same day. If there are some particular juices that can last longer, it should not be more than 3 days. Try to always make them fresh. Making them fresh or consuming them fresh is like the best. That way you are actually putting in those nutrients you're looking for. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.